bitch.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant when.
Alright, that's rude. I'm sorry. Hey, welcome back to another Ratshoon Flavored. Today on Ratshoon Flavored. Shit! Yippee! I don't have shit to review. I'm sorry, I tricked you. You know, it reminds me of the last time I had nothing to fucking review. And coincidentally, someone just so happened to burst through the door and give me something to review.
You got better than you want. Why would you wanna be with me? I'm nothing special.
Hey, wait. Wait, not again!
Surprise, motherfucker!
You want some Panthers?
Fuck you!
You come introduce yourself to the audience, sir, who broke into my house.
Hi, man with a white shirt. Wieners for you and I to try.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.
I wasn't.
How did you get in my house?
Dude, I'm gonna be totally honest.
You must die!
Nut punch!
Oh, dude! Again! Alright, so you want to
Spaghetti!
What did you say your name was again?
man with a white shirt, but you could call me
Luigi.
Well, howdy.
Luigi.
Welcome to my humble abode where I eat shit. Alright, let's open these.
Spaghetti!
My channel, bitch.
What you say?
these people. The people who make this are Oscar Mayer.
Mario. Mario.
Here they are. The gummy buns. Find it.
Spaghetti!
Fuck you.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Blood for you. Ew. They're sticky and gooey.
Are they? What the?
Without further ado, let's try. Sit up, why don't you? Your nuts aren't that damaged. Are you taller than me? Sit back down. Down the hatch.
Hello? Yes?
Again, I can't tell what this is.
What flavor is
That's
this?
my question.
I don't know what flavor these are.
The thing is, that was the pizza Lunchables.
They had no identifiable flavor.
I think they're pretty good.
Yeah. It's not like I would have them again, but it was like, oh, this was a good first time.
This is your first time?
He's coming for you.
You know who else is coming? That's a real
We get
knee slapper.
We get a little silly.
Help me, Joseph! No!
It's my show now.
Whoa! Look at the mess you've made.
Hey, you're Social Security.
No. Square up, punk. Dick punch!
Alright, look.
Weren't you the motherfucker on the news?
Apparently, some guy named Joseph stole a bunch of pumpkins for some Thanksgiving dinner. I don't know.
You want to see Cool Guy? Yeah, no. The weird thing is, I don't even think I'm putting food in my body.
That's concerning.
That's interesting.